Hey, garden lovers, welcome back to your channel name. It's springtime, and if you want to make your lawn look amazing this year, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share with you the essential steps to take right now to get that lush, green, envy-worthy lawn, so let's jump right into it. Step 1. Rake and clear debris. First things first, you need to give your lawn a good spring cleaning. Over winter, leaves, twigs, and other debris may have accumulated on your grass, blocking sunlight and air circulation. Grab a rake and clear all the dead material. This will also help loosen any matted grass and allow your lawn to breathe. And trust me, this step sets the foundation for everything else we're about to do. Step 2. Aerate the lawn. Aeration is a game changer for lawns. It involves poking small holes in the soil to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate down to the roots. If your soil is compacted or you've had heavy foot traffic on your lawn, aerating it in early spring helps your grass grow deeper, stronger roots. If you don't own an aerator, you can easily rent one from your local garden center or use a manual aerator for smaller lawns. Step 3. Fertilize with the right nutrients. Next up is feeding your lawn. After a long winter, your grass is hungry. Use a slow-release fertilizer specifically formulated for spring application. Look for one with a balanced ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to promote root growth and green up your lawn. Remember, don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer can actually harm your lawn and lead to runoff pollution. Follow the instructions on the bag carefully. Step 4. Overseed thin or bare spots. Notice any bald patches on your lawn? Spring is the perfect time to overseed. This will help fill in those thin areas and create a more dense, uniform lawn. Make sure to choose the right type of grass seed for your climate and lawn conditions. After spreading the seed, lightly rake the soil to ensure good seed-to-soil contact, and then water consistently to help those seeds germinate. Step 5. Watering properly. Watering is key, but timing is everything. Early spring usually brings some rain, so make sure you're not over-watering. A deep watering once or twice a week is better than frequent shallow watering. It encourages your grass to develop deeper roots. Also, water in the early morning to reduce evaporation and minimize the risk of disease. Step 6. Mowing with care. When your grass starts growing again, it's time to start mowing. But wait, don't cut it too short. Mowing at a higher height, around 3 inches, encourages strong root growth and helps shade out weeds. Make sure your mower blades are sharp to avoid tearing the grass, which can lead to brown tips and lawn stress. Step 7. Control weeds before they spread. Spring is also when weeds start to rear their ugly heads. A pre-emergent herbicide can stop weed seeds from sprouting before they become a problem. If you've got existing weeds, try pulling them up by hand or spot treat with an organic weed killer. Be proactive about weeds now, and you'll save yourself a lot of headaches later in the season. Spring lawn care might take a bit of effort, but if you follow these steps, your lawn will thank you with lush green growth all season long. Rake, aerate, fertilize, overseed, water, mow properly, and control weeds. That's the winning formula. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. See you next time, and happy spring gardening. Thanks for watching. Check out more of our videos to keep your garden looking its best.